If you're drowning in to-dos, jumping between tasks and thinking, I'm so overwhelmed, I just need to focus, this 3-step framework will help you reclaim your brain and finally get things done. No apps, no hacks, just clarity. I call it the focus reset loop, a simple process that cuts through the overwhelm and puts you back in control, even on the messiest days. And even if step 1 sounds simple, don't skip ahead. The real power is in how these 3 steps work together. By the end of this video, you'll have a system you can use anytime overwhelm hits. And it feels like magic. Here's how it works. Step 1, dump the chaos. Take 5 minutes. Grab a notebook, a sticky notes, or open a blank doc and write down everything you're holding in your head. From replying to that DM, to make a presentation for prospect, or even don't forget almond milk. No order, no pressure. Just get it out. Why it works? Overwhelm doesn't come from having too much to do. It comes from trying to carry all of it in your mind. And here's the thing. If all you do today is this step, it's still a win. Seriously, don't just watch me talk about it. Pause this video, type docs.new in your browser, or open the Notes app on your phone, or mind map if you prefer. Then set a timer for 5 minutes. Dump it all out, then come back to the video. Because step 2 is what makes this system actually work. Did you do it? Okay, I trust that it's done. Now I call step 2, pick the needle mover. Look at your list and ask, if I could do only one thing today, what would make the biggest difference? Not what's urgent, not what's easy, what actually moves your life, business, or well-being forward. Circle it. That's your next focus. And when you have it, you're ready for the real magic in step 3. Block and begin. Take that one thing. Now, here's the trick most people miss. Don't focus on finishing the whole thing. Just define the very first step. If it's create the PowerPoint for client B, maybe that first step is opening PowerPoint, writing the outline, or adding the title slide. Start there. Just that. Don't underestimate it. And then go do it. Set a 25-minute timer. Shut everything else down. No distractions. And next time the chaos come back, you won't spiral. You'll have a system. Run the focus reset loop, and every time you do, you'll feel lighter, clearer, and back in control. Save this video so you can run it again and again whenever you need it. You've got this. Now stop scrolling and go crush it.